Are you tired of being stressed every school year? Would your child benefit from being more organized and focused? How about you? Do you find yourself overwhelmed during the school year? Have you created a plan for academic success for your children? Being organized and clearing clutter can reduce your stress, save you time and money, and decrease overwhelm. If you're organized, you can get the best prices and shop sales for back to school clothes and supplies. With some planning and preparation, you can also set your children up for success and create habits that they can use throughout their academic career. Also, learn about clearing emotional clutter and having a plan to navigate school stress. Join us Saturday, August 20th, noon Eastern Time, 9 a.m. Pacific Time. Learn more at the link below. Come on, join us.